There he is. Behold! The Tyrant Lizard King himself! Tyrannosaurus Rex! Yeah, this is what he looks like from Dinosaur King. Tonight we're gonna draw Terry. Yeah, he's a Tyrannosaur. And one of the most powerful dinosaurs in existence. Tyrannosaurus has been a very popular and really strong animal for like the rest of our lives. I've seen Tyrannosaurus thousands of times before, and this dinosaur has been a very popular and very rare specimen. It has been seen in a lot of movies like Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, and even a bunch of others such as Jurassic, Universe. Well, the Jurassic Universe really is one of my favorite parts on the Museum of Natural History. He even got his debut on Walking with Dinosaurs, one of my favorite documentaries of all time. I consider these dinos to be very powerful, unstoppable, and I dedicate these episodes to the Museum of Natural History, one of my favorite museums to go to. I consider it an A+ grade. And all the dinosaurs that live in that museum. And here's a fun fact for you guys. Alexa, what is Tyrannosaurus Rex?
Tyrannosaurus was a large predatory dinosaur from the Upper Cretaceous, 68 to 66 million years ago.
Shoot. There. That's how you draw Terry. Tyrannosaurus, you're one of my favorites. Good night.